In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Smartsheet Timeline View so you can visualize your project schedule and track tasks more effectively. First, open the Smartsheet project sheet you want to view as a timeline. Before switching views, make sure your sheet contains the necessary project information, including task names, start dates, and end dates. Next, review your data and confirm that all tasks have valid dates assigned. Timeline View relies on date information to display tasks accurately, so filling in any missing dates will help ensure everything appears correctly. Once your data is ready, go to the top of the sheet and locate the current view selector. Most sheets open in grid view by default. Now, click the View drop-down menu and select Timeline View. Smartsheet will automatically transform your project data into a visual timeline layout. After switching views, you'll see each task displayed as a horizontal bar stretching from its start date to its end date. This makes it much easier to understand project schedules, track progress, and identify overlapping tasks. Next, review the timeline to make sure all tasks appear as expected. If your project includes milestones or dependencies, they will also be reflected within the timeline view. If your project spans a long period or contains many tasks, use the horizontal scroll bar to navigate through the timeline. You can move forward and backward to review different phases of the project. Take a moment to explore the timeline and verify that all dates, durations, and task placements are accurate. If needed, return to the sheet and update your task information to improve the timeline display. A well-organized timeline view helps teams understand project schedules, monitor progress, and keep everyone aligned on upcoming deadlines. That's it. You've successfully set up Timeline View in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.